Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things, and I've got another tech unboxing to do. And what we have on the table today is a Huawei Matepad 10.4 inch tablet. We'll just quickly look at the specs. This is a 4 gig RAM with 128 gig ROM. This is a LTE version. It's a matte gray color. You can see there's two boxes here. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard. All right. The box is pretty simple. It says here it's sound by Harman Kardon. Okay. Pretty simple box. All right. Gonna open it. Alright, I'll put this aside for a second. We'll have a quick look at the keyboard. So there it is, it says Huawei Smart Keyboard. Box is pretty simple as well. Now for Huawei devices, you should be warned that Google app is not supported. Okay, so if that is something that you don't like, this device is not for you. So the keyboard is it doubles as a protective case. Alright, so this is keyboard looks like it's a membrane keyboard, and there's a on-off switch as well, powered by USB-C. I guess this is just documentation. Alright, nothing much there. So that's the keyboard case. Sorry, that's the keyboard slash case. Okay. It's a pretty strong magnet right there. Right, now we'll look at the tablet. How to find apps. The tab is right there. Anyway, we'll look at this in a while. So comes with two boxes. This is the charging brick. Comes with a charging brick. There's a SIM injection tool. Guess they'll have a cable in this box. Such a big box. And it's just empty. So it comes with a very standard USB-A to USB-C cable. Pretty nice. At the back, Huawei branding at the back. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the Huawei 10.4 tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, give me a thumbs up. Oh, subscribe. Okay, it's free to subscribe. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time.